Welcome to Nashville North Studios in Linwood, New Jersey. Today we're going to hear from Ericka Midiri, and as you can see by her lovely work on the walls, she is a consummate painter. She hails from Iowa and has a bachelor's degree in fine art and graphic design. She resides in South Jersey and has married music into her life and paintings. The Midiri Brothers Ensemble, of which her husband is a member, performed for our select art patrons on the fourth Friday in September for our opening. Today, Ericka, with her personal cameraman, will give you a glimpse into her world of art. So I'll give the camera now to Ericka's group, and Ericka will talk to us a little bit about what she has here on the walls and what she's accomplished. Hi, Ericka.
Hi! Hello! Do you want to see my show? This is the Sound of Color. Welcome to my solo show at Nashville North Studios. I'm wearing my sunglasses because, man, alive, look at these colors. They are so bright. You need shades. So here I am, and it's a wonderful opportunity being here at Nashville North Studios. I'm going to introduce you to some of my works of art here and let you know what my inspirations are. So here we are with my painting of Broadway. This is from Pitman, New Jersey. I love old movie theaters and I wanted to capture the color and capture a little bit of the energy of the days gone past, of all the wonderful people and fantasies that were on screen there. So anyway, the first question is, how would you describe your style of painting? Well, I was asked that when I did painting classes at the Ocean City Art Center a few years ago. And I love Fauvism. And Fauvism, if you're not too sure what that is, they follow the Post-Impressionists. They're a French group, and Fauve means wild colors. So I try to incorporate wild colors in my compositions, and came up with my term of my style painting, Fauvistic realism, because I like to paint people. I think it's very inspiring, their emotions and express themselves. And especially musicians. Why is that a theme in my painting? So, as to let you know, my husband, Joe Midiri, he's part of Midiri Brothers Orchestra, an ensemble, and this is Paul, fabulous drummer, vibraphonist. That's my brother-in-law. And so anyway, I was inspired by the stage lighting. I tried to capture how they sculpted sound in the air. And I love that energy that they create. And there's a lot of color with the stage lighting, and that captured my attention. And I love doing portraits, as you can see. So that's one of the reasons. I used to manage the band for a little bit, used to sing with them a little bit. And anyway, it's been lots of fun. This here is our guitarist's father. He was also a jazz guitarist in the 50s. And I fell in love with this photograph. It was black and white, and purple's one of my favorite colors, so I incorporated purple to make it come alive. And I feel that's a very successful portrait. You'd like to come in the show, check it out. Looks like he's staring right into your soul. He's in mine. It was a beautiful photograph, and I was honored to be able to borrow it and do his portrait. So let's see if you have some more questions here. Let's see. What is my inspiration for art and photography? So over here we have a couple of my photographs. This is a sunset photograph. It's called Surreal Sunset. And those are the real deal colors. I do not own Photoshop, Lightroom, any of that. I don't do filters. That's it. That's Mother Nature in her glory. So this was a rising thunderstorm coming across the river. So I just love the energy and the colors. I'm all about color. So, and here's another one. This is called Serene, Serenity Sunset. And if you can look closely, there's a heart in the clouds there. Now, since I love jazz, the Midiri brothers, that's our awesome trumpet player, Danny Tobias up there. I also love rock and roll. My favorite rock band is Franz Ferdinand, and this is bass player Bob Hardy, Mr. Robert Hardy, and this was painted for a birthday presentation for him online. And I love concert photography, and this really captured my attention. I tried to capture his body language and the energy that was being created, that fabulous energy that is just all about positivity and dancing. And I love to dance, so really inspires me. And this one's called The Solo here. That's another musician. That's Joe there doing his thing, and the composition of the figure sitting and the glitter background, the drapery with the stage lighting, I felt had just wonderful, vibrant energy to that composition, and the stage lighting, incorporated into that. So now Joe doesn't really have purple hair, but that's how I paint, that's how I roll. It inspires me, and somehow it works. So I like it. I think it succeeds on an energetic level, and I hope you agree. So this is Sarah here. That's called Sarah. She's a young ballet dancer I met, and that's her first day trying on toe shoes. And it was a very delicate moment, and I wanted to capture. I love the composition. Triangular composition with the shadow, and she has her pink ballet shoes on. And I used to take ballet myself, so for many, many years. This is my portrait of my daughter, Golden Dreamer 2. This is only two colors, purple and gold. And of course I love realism, but I want to try to add the personality into the portrait as well. So that's Golden Dreamer 2, and that series was started with this one here, Golden Dreamer 1. And it's a portrait of a young man. He's wearing my straw hat. So he's a very imaginative young man, and I thought that was very successful. And so I made another one. And number 3 is in the works, Golden Dreamer number 3 right now. So anyway, that's a little bit about me and my style. I'll give you one last look around. This is another musician. His name is Paul Thompson, my favorite rock band, Franz Ferdinand. And that was created on, they have a weekly song challenge, and Twilight Omens, which is a fabulous song of theirs. Received many compliments on this. It captures movement, and that's my goal, is to capture movement, life, and energy of the musicians that inspire me. Anyway, it was nice to talk to you, and hope to see you soon. Bye.